Although we agreed that the scope of this subject is going to be network modeling and simulation, but there's also a need to understand how the simulation can coexist with emulation. For that, we need to investigate how Omnet++ interacts with a tool which captures real-world data from the computer, and how can we interpret Omnet++ simulation data onto that tool. The tool is called Wireshark. It comes with other names also, for instance, TCP dump and WinDump. In this module, we shall understand what is Wireshark as a tool. We'll just take a quick introduction. We'll see how it captures the real-world traffic, which either leaves the host computer or enters the host computer. The host computer is real, by the way. It is not a simulated host in Omnet++. And then we'd see how we can relate Omnet++ with Wireshark. So Wireshark, as the name implies, is a shark, which is a fish, carnivore fish, that captures or gets all the traffic coming on the wire, specifically the wire which is connected to your computer. So it is basically a packet capturing and analysis tool. Wireshark works in promiscuous mode. It means regardless of the sender and destination addresses, whatever is coming onto your computer would be processed. And Wireshark takes the traffic which is coming on the LAN segment, as we earlier discussed, that the traffic which is unicast in nature, and if it is not destined for your computer, would be discarded by your computer network interface card. But when Wireshark is used, it reconfigures the network interface card in promiscuous or welcome mode. So it receives every traffic. It then has the capability to log that traffic, that is, it stores it on your hard disk, and then it presents the traffic to you in various formats, including binary, hexadecimal, and ASCII. The traffic which is captured is stored as .pcap file. The packet capturing process starts right here, where the Ethernet device driver promiscuously captures the traffic and makes copies of the received packets and the transmitted packets and gives it to the packet filter driver. The packet filter driver, depending upon the utility, for instance, here in the Userspace, we have Wireshark running. Say Wireshark is an independent shell process. It will capture the traffic from its corresponding filter. The usual traffic is following its way up here. So what we understand is that Wireshark is a real-world traffic capture tool. The interface for Wireshark displays information in various formats. For instance, here in this particular frame, it is showing the time at which a packet is received, the sender, the destination, the protocol that is being used currently in the network, the length of the particular packet carrying this protocol, and the detailed information in ASCII. The details of every protocol are appearing in this second frame, and the hexadecimal representation is appearing here with its corresponding ASCII representation. The example that we can download from the internet that establish a relationship between Omnet++ and Wireshark is shown in here. This is TCP selective acknowledgement example. What it does is it sets up a flow between two hosts which are both supporting TCP selective acknowledgement. This particular example provides support for outputting the file in various formats, including the PCAP format. Then this file, you can store it on your hard disk, then you can open and run Wireshark, then access the file and see for yourself. It is going to show the output of Omnet++ in Wireshark. This would help you to relate a real-world traffic capturing tool with the simulated traffic which is captured and seen on Wireshark.